Now that you've played your first game of Swaps Battle, let's go over 4 tips and tricks to help you play smarter. 1. Choosing the starting layout. You don't want your initial layout to be too easy. You can measure its difficulty by the number of cards needed to win. For example, this layout is easy. It only takes 4 cards to win. 1, 2, 3, and 4. This one is harder. It takes 7 cards to win. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. You can build a difficult starting layout by following these steps. Choose the column for the token on row 1. Stay away from the diagonal. So avoid column 1 and pick, say, column 4. Then choose the column for the token on row 4. In theory, you could pick column 1, but don't. Let's say you pick 7. Choose the column for the token on row 7, but avoid 1, say 8. Choose the column for the token on row 8, but avoid 1, say 2. Keep going, always avoiding column 1 until the only choice left is 1. The layout you end up with will need at least 7 cards to win, the hardest possible layout. 2. Moving the token to a desired position. Let's say you have this layout and this hand, and you want to move the token in column 7 into column 3 to get it on the diagonal. That means you need the swap card for columns 7 and 3, but you don't have either the 7-3 or the 3-7 card. What you can do is use column 5 as an intermediate stop. Move 7 to 5 with the 7-5 card, then 5 to 3 with the 5-3 card. The intermediate stop depends on the cards you actually have. In this case, you could also have moved 7 to 4, then 4 to 3. 3. Replace a card with a combination of cards. Let's say you find yourself in this situation. You're 1 card away from winning. You desperately need to swap columns 4 and 6, but you don't have that card. You only have these. You can use the previous trick. Play 6-5 to move the token from column 6 to column 5. Then play 5-4 to move it again to column 4. You're left with this layout. And you can win by playing 5-6. So the card 6-4 can be replaced by a combination of these 3 cards. A few important notes. First, you could have used any column instead of 5. Second, this only works if you have inverse cards. Here, 6-5 and 5-6. And third, if you don't have the card 5-4, you can replace it too with 3 other cards using this exact same trick. Here's another useful hint. When you have inverse cards that don't fit your strategy, you can discard them and still be able to discard 3 more cards on top. Why? Because it's as if you'd played them. In this example, playing 5-6 then 6-5 is like playing nothing at all. So keep that in mind. That's it for our tips and tricks. Now go put them into practice and enjoy dominating your next game of Swaps Battle.